Top 4 largest tanker ships in 2024. 1. SA Oceania Very Large Crude Carrier, VLCC. Deadweight tonnage, 320,000 tons. Operator Saudi Aramco. 2. DHT Colt. Type Very Large Crude Carrier. Deadweight tonnage, 320,000 tons. Operator DHT Holdings. 3. Houston Voyager. Type Very Large Crude Carrier. Deadweight tonnage, 390,397 tons. Chevron. Half 4. Alsace. Type Very Large Crude Carrier. VLCC. Deadweight tonnage, DWT, 320,000 tons. Euronav. Like, subscribe, and comment for more amazing content on maritime wonders and global trade.